Hey friends, I'm Sarah, a multi-passionate maker. This video is all about double crochet. I created this series of beginner crochet tips to have bite-sized tutorials for those of you who are learning and even those of you who are picking up crochet after years and just need a quick refresher. So to those of you who are new, welcome in, and those of you who are returning, welcome back.
Okay, let's get into the double crochet. Now, as you can see here, it's a little bit different than our chain, obviously. Here's our chain. Then we have our single crochet, it's a little bit tighter. And then we have our half double crochet. So you can see it's a little bit closer together. But when we look at our double crochet, you can see that these are just a slightly taller. And there's a little bit more open space in between the stitches. These are usually great for blankets and scarves and sweaters and things like that. Sometimes you'll use it in amigurumi when you're making hearts or other items. So we're going to start with your slip knot and a chain. And if you do not know how to do that, you can go back to my previous videos that I will link in the description. The double crochet is going to be similar to the half double if you already watched that video or know how to do that. What we're going to be doing is we are going to yarn over the hook, then we're going to go into, and I like to work in the bumps of the chain. So we're going to go into the second one from the hook, go through the bump. So I went through that chain, so the first thing I'm going to do is yarn over, and I'm going to grab it with my hook, twist down, pull through just the bump on the chain. And now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, do the same thing, but this time I'm only going to pull through 2. So I only pull through 2, and then I'm going to do that same repeat, yarn over, hook down, pull through the last 2. So it kind of creates that bump kind of on the end here. Of course, it's a little bit rounded. I'm going to do the same thing again. So I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to push it through the chain, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through the chain loop. So now I have 3 on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, twist, pull through the last 2. I'll do that slowly one more time. So I yarned over, pushed it through the chain, yarn over, hook that yarn, pull it through, twist it up when I release, and remember your pointer finger that it has your tension is moving with your motion. So again, I'm going to yarn over, and then notice that pointer finger kind of comes closer, so I'm releasing my tension a little as I pull through those first 2 loops. Okay, yarn over, twist down, pull through that final 2. So there we go. I'm going to finish the row and then show you how to move on. Okay, so we've reached the end of the row. Now with a single crochet, when we turn, we do a single chain. The half double crochet, we do 2 chains. And for now a double crochet, we're going to do 3 chains. The reason we do that is for the height of your stitches. Now, just a reminder, when we're crocheting, we're always just going in that same direction. So if you're right-handed, you're going from right to left. If you're left-handed, you'll be going from left to right. So I'm going to go ahead and do my 3 chains. So 1, grab the yarn, pull through 2, grab the yarn, pull through 3. Then I'm going to turn my piece. Then I'm going to yarn over, because we're still in our doubles. I'm going to go into that first little crochet loop that I made there. So again, I'm just going to yarn over, I'm going to push through that first hole, going to yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through, lift up. Now I have my 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I'm going to just go into that next hole there. So yarn over, push through the hole, yarn over, grab it, pull through the crochet loop that I made, the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'll do that one more time. Yarn over, push through, yarn over, pull through the stitch, then I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then you'll just continue that back and forth. Remember to chain and flip as you go. Now to finish that off, you will just snip the yarn. And remember, you're not pulling towards your ball of yarn, your working yarn. You're gonna grab that loop and you're gonna pull out the other way so that you can tighten it off. And there is our double crochet. Next in the series will be that triple crochet or treble crochet, where basically we're doing the same thing, but now it'll be 3 times.
If you found this video helpful, make sure you comment down below. Ask any questions if you need to. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok for those quick crochet tips as well as behind the scenes fun. Until next time, happy crocheting!